that in there.
Because that's recording now, isn't it?
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another Monday morning cleaning motivation video.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
If you're new here, my name is Gabrielle and I do cleaning, motherhood, and lifestyle videos. So hit that subscribe button and push the little bell so you don't miss out on any new videos.
With you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend.
So today I'm doing a deep clean of my kitchen. We're moving in just about a month, so I'm trying to do some deep cleaning. That way I don't have to do all of that cleaning last minute before we move, because we all know that is exhausting and a pain in the butt when you have to do that.
Every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone,
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw.
Oh my gosh, I desperately needed to clean out this cabinet under my sink. I think I've only cleaned under here maybe once in the past year. So this was definitely something that needed to be done.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
And I'm totally taking a mini break to clean up the baby. I just introduced a little bit of baby-led weaning with him, and he's been doing great. He's been munching on Cheerios while I've been cleaning.
But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her. So I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions.
Oh my goodness, I had so much grime that had built up around my fridge. It was so gross. And it took like forever for me to actually get it scrubbed up. Ugh. That's what happens when you let things sit. Yeah.
Live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger.
So now I'm cleaning all of the baseboards and trim and some of the walls.
That way I wouldn't get hurt. But when I met her, it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end. But I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how, and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. Oh, I don't wanna let her go. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how, and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go.
Most of the paint in our townhouse is painted with this like really flat white paint, and it's such a pain to clean, or rather keep clean, I guess. Thankfully it's just a rental, because if we owned our own place, I would definitely have like semi-gloss or eggshell, because that is so much easier to clean, especially with having little ones. And of course, one of the last things I'm doing is making some coffee. I guess I should have started out with this, but whatever. Comment down below what your favorite coffee drink is, or what you like to drink while you clean. And if it's wine, definitely no judgment here. Well, thank you so much again for hanging out with me during today's Monday morning cleaning motivation video. I hope you all were motivated, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye.